Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing another makeup look challenge and I'm going to be trying out a Korean beauty look. I recently got some products from Etude House, which is a Korean beauty brand that I have liked for many years, and so I thought it would be nice to try out these products with you guys and just do a different makeup look to what I would usually go for. Before we start this video, if you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button for new content every single week, and my Instagram is at @itslucykate. I don't know if you can tell, but I cut my hair even shorter. So I have been saying for a while now how I wanted to cut my hair short, but I didn't really have the courage to. So I've been cutting a little bit like every 2 days and I'm really liking it. So as I said, I got a couple of products from Etude House and I'm just going to be trying out 2 of their products today. So I have an eyeshadow palette from them and then this like tint lip. So yeah, it's been ages since I've done like Asian style makeup. I tend to go for like more Western trends, so I'm excited to try it out. I already did my foundation and my eyebrows, so we're just gonna put my hair back using this cute bunny headband and we will start with cheeks. So I'm feeling really cute. I don't know, when I do like cute makeup looks, I just feel like I want to use this on the camera. I last used it in my cold girl makeup look. As I was saying, like my everyday makeup is usually just like regular cut creases, winged eyeliner, contour, you know, like 2016 Instabaddie makeup. But there was this point when I was in college, I think it was in my second year of college, I had like a good 3 or 4 months where I was really interested in Korea, like Korean makeup and Korean skincare, and so I kind of dressed like, you know, Korean idol fashion. Like I was super into it and like bought loads of stuff. As you probably know, I've been through so many like phases throughout high school and college that it faded away pretty quickly and then I went back to like a different phase. But I really did enjoy the makeup looks and it's not something that I do every day, like a cutesy kind of like Korean Asian makeup, but I'm excited to try it out. So let's begin with cheeks. So unfortunately I don't have any Korean cosmetic products right now apart from these new Etude House ones because I decluttered a lot. So for cheek, I'm just going to use my MAC cheek. This is the shade Into the Pink and this is my all-time favorite pink blush. I've used it in many of my makeup routines. It's like this. It's this gorgeous glittery glow and we're gonna apply this high up the cheeks, kind of like what I did for like the cold girl look. So no contour today, just applying this high up. So I'm done with the cheeks and this is what it looks like. So it just gave me this like, you know, natural glow and I applied it quite high up, and if you can see, it has like this highlighting effect to it like that. But I am gonna apply a little bit of Colourpop Flexitarian on top just to highlight it some more. Finished applying highlighter. This is what my face makeup looks like. So let's move on to the eyes next, and this is the palette that I'm going to be using today. So this is the Etude House Play Color Eyes series, and I actually used to own, I think it was like the red wine one that I used to own. It was a really gorgeous palette, really loved it. Unfortunately had to declutter it. So the one I have today is called Rosé Wine. So this is going to be like a pink themed one. What I really love about these series, it's a really light palette and it's pretty sturdy, easy to carry, formula's good, has a mirror, brushes. You know, I shouldn't have decluttered it. I don't know what I was thinking decluttering it, but anyways, let's take a look at the colors. And the colors, you guys, are just so gorgeous. Wow, it's so cutesy vibes and it's perfect for the spring season, like the sakura. Gives me sakura vibes, cherry blossom vibes, and it's so adorable. I can't wait to use this palette. I'm just gonna do the makeup on camera and then on the side of the screen, I'll like insert a picture to show you which shade I'm using. So I completed my eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. I didn't really do a harsh crease today because it's more of like a soft Asian makeup style. So it's very sparkly, as you can see. So I only applied like a slight bit of matte in the shade, and then I used these two gorgeous glittery shades. This shade was really gorgeous, this one. This glittery shade was so gorgeous, but there was a little fallout, but nothing too major. And then for my under eyes, I just used this white pearly eyeshadow for the tear duct and under eyes. And there's this thing, I don't want to butcher the phrase, so I'll pop it up here. But there's this makeup that is done frequently in Korean makeup. So it's like to make the bags under your eyes like more puffy is what it is. So basically what I did was I applied some brown eyeshadow to kind of like emphasize the bags under my eyes to give it like this cutesy doll-ish kind of vibe. So I really like this look. The formula didn't let me down at all. The Etude House formula is really good for like the glittery shimmery shades. The matte shades are very light, so if you want to do an intense look, maybe they're not the best mattes, but for this kind of like cutesy glittery makeup, it's the perfect formula. So I do want to apply a little bit of eyeliner. I'm not going to do like my usual long wing. I'm going to go for more like a puppy dog eyeliner look, I think. So I'm going to kind of like do the eyeliner facing down. Hopefully this goes well because I'm used to like doing a high up wing eyeliner. So we're going to do that, and then I'll just apply some mascara, and then I will come back to you to do the lips. This is what the eye makeup looks like. It's super like cutesy doll vibes, and I'm really liking this look. Like, I don't usually do my eyeliner like this, but it turned out to be good. I feel like my eyes look bigger with this makeup. I'm really enjoying this makeup. Like, it's so fun like to do different makeup styles, and it brings back so many memories when I was really into Korean style makeup. So we're gonna end with, of course, tint lipstick. So tint lipstick is like the Korean makeup trend, and this one is called the Glass Rouge tint, and the color is like an orangey one apparently. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. So it's an orangey lip. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this out. So I finished applying my lipstick, and as you can see, I took off the bunny headband and put on some cute hair clips. Like, it was just giving me like, you know, idol vibes. And this is my makeup look. The tint lipstick is really glossy. Like, it doesn't feel mattifying at all, and I just applied it like all over my lips, but it's super shiny, and wow, I just can't believe how different I look to usual. Like, this is exactly why I love playing with makeup, because there's so many ways that you can create a look, like countless amount of ways, and you can literally transform yourself just by changing the shape of the eyeliner. So as you can see, my eye shape looks completely different to usual, and although I do like my cat eyes kind of look, I really like the whole doll vibe this is giving me. So this is my makeup look for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And as you can see, I've been uploading kind of a lot of makeup content recently, and it's just because I've been so passionate with trying out different makeup looks. And of course, I was kindly gifted some products. So if there's any makeup looks you'd like to see me try out, definitely comment them down below. I'd be more than happy to try them out. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, because I upload new content every single weekend. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys!